Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the Decora 18-gauge Black Floral Wire. If you're into crafting or floral arrangements, this is hands down one of the best floral wires available on the market. Whether you're making stunning floral crowns, beautiful wedding bouquets, or elegant wreaths, this wire is your go-to. The Decora Black Floral Wire comes in a package of 50 pieces, each measuring 16 inches. It's made of high-quality, flexible 18-gauge wire, which means it can be easily bent, twisted, and manipulated without breaking. This is crucial for detailed crafting, especially when you need to add support or structure to your projects. One of the key advantages of this floral wire is its versatility. It's ideal not only for fresh flower arrangements but also for artificial flowers, wreath making, or even jewelry making. You can use it to create gorgeous, intricate designs or simply to reinforce other craft pieces. The black finish adds a professional and polished look, blending seamlessly into dark-themed floral arrangements and decorations. The wire's flexibility is another standout feature. You don't need to worry about it snapping while you're working on your project. It holds its shape well, but it's also easy to manipulate when you want to make adjustments. This gives you full control and helps save time, especially during the final stages of crafting. As far as value goes, this product offers an excellent balance between quality and affordability. With 50 pieces in each pack, you'll be well stocked for a range of projects, whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced crafter looking for reliable supplies. The Decora Black Floral Wire also helps reinforce arrangements, keeping flowers in place without disrupting the design. Whether you're using it to secure cut flowers or organize artificial ones, it's perfect for both short-term and long-term projects. If you're searching for a wire that doesn't just get the job done but enhances the quality of your creations, the Decora 18-gauge Black Floral Wire is definitely a must-have in your craft toolkit. That's all for today's review here on Product Critique. Be sure to check out the Decora Black Floral Wire for your next craft project. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product insights. Happy crafting!